Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. If you're watching this from YouTube for the first time, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'd like to share with you another episode of Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2021. In this particular episode, I'm going to be going over whether or not you should promote something just because it makes money. If you're watching this from the first time on Facebook, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, share this out to the world. If you're watching this from YouTube for the first time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. From observing the marketplace some more, I do notice, especially during a time like we're in right now, that a lot of people are looking for better ways to make money online. They are looking into every product, opportunity, course that can do that for them. But a lot of people are in the wrong mindset when it comes to that. Because whenever it comes to a certain company that's promoting a business opportunity, a product, a course, most people get emotionally attached to the compensation plan of the company. And because they get so emotionally attached to the compensation plan of whatever company that they're looking at, they buy into the hype of whatever will be the next biggest thing. How many times have you heard that phrase, the next biggest thing? With every new product, opportunity, course that you've seen rolled out there. Chances are you've probably heard that so many times to the point where you're just questioning, which one is going to be the one to promote for my business? That's probably a question that you've probably been thinking about a lot. And for very good reason too. I don't actually blame you in being so confused and overwhelmed and just thinking about, golly, there's so many products, opportunities, courses that I could be promoting to make money, but man, I just don't know what the heck should I be promoting. But you also don't want to fall for the trap that unfortunately most people who get started in this industry unfortunately fall for. A lot of people, when they start promoting whatever it is that they're selling, they're only doing it just for the money. And because they're only doing it just for the money, they don't know the products, opportunities, courses, real value it will provide to someone. Because they are coming at it from the wrong mindset, they don't fully take the time to understand how marketing works. And therefore, these are the people who get involved in whatever will be the next biggest thing, and they just don't go anywhere with it because they're always coming in from that mindset of, I just want to make money, not how can this opportunity, this product, this course help my target audience. Which leads me into answering the question that I posed just earlier on in this video. You want to promote something that you believe in. Get out a pen and piece of paper and write that down. Promote something that you believe in. In other words, don't just promote something just because you see the potential it has for you to make a ton of money just from one person that goes all in. Promote something not only because it will allow you to earn the maximum amount of earnings possible, but it will also be valuable to your target audience. It will help them solve whatever problems that they're going through. You also want to be a product of the product. I'll give you an example. If you purchase a personal development course, say for $5,000, let's just make up the figure just for example's sake. You purchase a personal development course that's $5,000. Okay? You purchase that course and you have the chance to go through that whole entire course so that not only you will learn something about yourself, but you will also better understand that course. Talking about it within the context of this example, you will better understand how this course can help somebody who's struggling with bettering their mindset, who's struggling with the things that they're going through in life. If you spend $5,000 on a course and you're just not interested in going through that course to see how it can help your customer, you are doing yourself a disservice by doing that. Don't just get involved in just about anything that just makes money. You got to look at the real value a product, an opportunity, a course will provide to whoever it is that you're targeting online as your target market. That's very important to understand, because if you miss out on this point altogether, it's going to be very hard for you to see any kind of results being generated. And chances are you're going to be hopping from one opportunity to the next, to the next, to the next. And instead of going that route, take the time to really look at a business opportunity, a product, a course that you really believe is going to help solve your target market's problems. Understand that the sooner the better. You'll be better off over the long term. And this will help you tremendously if you truly want to be in this industry, this business of affiliate marketing for the long term. I trust you got a ton of value out of this video. And if you're curious to know what is it that I'm currently promoting to my target market audience right now, and you'd like to get in on what it is that I'm currently working on promoting online, this is what I would like you to do. Either to the right of this video or down below this video, if you're watching from the Facebook Live, comment the words "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to inbox you on Messenger privately with all the details. If you're watching this from YouTube, this is what I would like you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for making money online. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so that you can better understand how marketing works and how you can be generating results right now. And with that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.